So I just finished up some like wedding guest edits for the store. Kind of, okay, you can't really see. Showing different looks and different things. So I'm about to NutriBullet this smoothie. I did cut up some bananas, strawberries, oat milk, ice, and I need a little green, so I did avocado, and I kind of think it's gonna be not what I want. I like for it to be mostly pink. All right, what are you reading today?
I'm reading Happy Place. I'm on chapter 4.
Do you like it?
I give it a 3 out of 5.
Well, chapter 4, you have a long way to go.
Yeah.
And Caroline is trying on some clothes, so we will see. Oh, there she is. Alrighty, new package deliveries. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Look at the cute little, I actually just watched the movie Air. Look at the cute little like 23 Jordan. All right, so these I'm very excited about. Okay, so a closer look. I'm into them. I think like they're a little different than what I'm used to. I don't wear too much blue. Okay, we have gone for the green vibe. It's really the mood. I actually love these. These are the 550s. Look, I feel a little frumpy in it, but whatever. I got this from a brand called No Jeans. I thought I would wear it for the Warriors today. Oh, good morning.
Hello.
The vlog content. Abby has made coffee. Hi guys, and welcome to Cocktails with Carol. I am also our guest bartenders. Round of applause for them. I'm gonna make an espresso martini. I have a dinner tonight. I never do this. I had this grand idea in my head that when I got this bar that I was going to serve drinks to people, and that's only happened a handful of times. But we have everything back here. Even this signed photo from Workaholics to remind myself just to have a good time and get a little weird. So I'm going to show you my go-to espresso martini recipe. And today's outfit, well, you can't really see. Put it with these little shoes. I was going to wear like a different outfit. It didn't work out according to plan. Okay, 2 seconds. So I've got ice in my shaker, and I made some espresso a little earlier, and I put it in the fridge. Oh, wow. Love you, bye. So I just temporarily went off air for a small spillage. But honestly, I eyeball everything. So I'm gonna use some Bailey's. Oh, wow. Imagine the content. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's gonna go like, I'll probably just, oh, okay. Oh yeah. A little vodka. I actually prefer mine with tequila, but this makes more than one drink, by the way. Don't think that was for one singular human. Okay, you know what? Grab a glass. Espresso martini. I hope everybody enjoyed the content that this provided. Off the top of my head, it's like Maison something, and then I did these neon green. Oh wait, now I see myself. Oh, hi. Oh god. Anyways, this is what the bottom of it looks like. I actually wonder if I can do that dance. You know, like, nope. Okay, that was the last of that. Look is complete. Okay, and yeah, gonna go meet my friends and my family, everyone. Why is my hair? Just showing you, like, these are the books. This is kind of like in order of the next few books I want to read. I have read this, but I feel like I didn't give it my full attention, so I've put it back here. Okay, hold on. Paul. Is it red?
The light.
Does it say REC? Do it. Oh, careful around the eyes. We are doing the Hot Ones challenge. Hashtag. We got 10 wings each, some water, some milk, descriptions of each. So the rule has to be you have to do like a decent dab.
What qualifies as a decent dab though?
Like a pretty good bit. Each hot sauce. What is that? Scoville?
Oh, I'm glad I'm not reading.
It's supposed to be sweet with a little chili maple. It's the perfect balance of sweet and heat. This is the classic hot sauce.
Me. I'm the perfect balance of sweet and heat. I got bibs for this. Let me see your dab. Okay.
Number 1. I don't even like meat on a bone.
Why? Wait.
Oh, it's just like chili. It's like oh my.
Wait, is
It's a
it?
little bit, but it's not bad.
You're lying.
No, it's not bad. I just figured if it's number 1.
Mmm.
You can hear us eating and chewing.
Edit that out.
It's not bad.
Oh, good.
Mhm.
What would the title of your autobiography be?
Oh, I forgot we were doing questions.
The differences between autobiography and biography.
Mine would be. Well, that didn't work.
That would be the title?
Yeah.
Mine would be someone should have intervened.
Hold on. Tropicante. Fruity Scotch peppers combined with tropical fruit like mangoes, papaya, and bananas. Yes, banana in a hot sauce. This is level 4,000. So this was 1,600. This is 4,000. What part of the meat do I eat? Dab?
A dab would do. I don't like bananas or, just fruit. I don't like, except for like.
Ask the question.
What was the worst job you ever had?
That wasn't bad either. We're pretty good.
Nope.
Us on number 2.
I don't want to speak too soon.
I want to hear myself. I don't know, I work for Dad. And I quit.
When I worked for my dad too.
3. So this was 4,000. Now we're gonna skip to 15,500.
Oh.
So
Wait.
this says
That's a big
this
jump.
has it says pico peppers from
Like-
Canada.
Like pico de gallo?
It's like it. Oh my!
I'm just a girl from Alabama.
Theo Vaughn did one.
I love him. This one looks violet.
Okay. It's not bad.
I don't like this,
Sweetness.
I don't know what the under flavor I'm getting is, but I don't like it.
It's
What's what's a big regret you want to get off your chest?
Dating in high school.
this challenge probably by the end of it. Smoked red jalapenos and dried chipotle peppers.
Ooh,
A flame-kissed flavor. We've actually done pretty well. We're basically Pedro Pascal.
That's really strong scent. I don't like this. No.
I don't like the taste, but it's not that hot.
I don't like the taste at all.
You're suddenly famous. What is the reason for this?
Caroline.
I think we'll be famous for being a wag.
Ooh, that's giving me a lot to look forward to. No, you would.
I like the way this looks.
Like that?
Looks like acid reflux. If I ever said anything naughty, my dad would take me to the bathroom and just douse a bunch of hot sauce on my tongue. Yeah. So this is giving childhood trauma. Ooh, I smelled it first. Shouldn't have done that.
That's my least favorite one. It's not hot, it's nasty. It's just
Your life is going to be showcased on the big screen. What actors play you and your loved ones?
Mila Kunis is me.
who would play me?
If she's bored and doesn't have anything to do. She had one of those round bikes. Swift. We used to play American Idol, and I was always Kelly Clarkson, and she was always Taylor Swift.
Ghost pepper stuff in it.
Yeah. No.
Oh. It's not hot though.
You gotta quit saying it so early after you eat, because then it's gonna smack us in the face.
You're hosting a TED Talk. What is the subject or title?
Why women should hate men.
They have pretty good wings there.
Do you see the tears in my eyes?
No, it's just my lips.
I got too much gringa in me for this. They go, oh God, can't be doing it. Then I'm gonna have to like turn the faucet on and just stand there for an hour with my mouth open. Pumpkin hot.
This is a spicy mix of red jalapenos and scorpion peppers.
Oh, what is a scorpion pepper? Maybe this will be like a trauma bonding.
Literally. Remember that one time?
My day. We should do
this. Alright, this one doesn't smell bad. Alright, ready?
Good.
Oh god.
I don't like the ones that play little tricks on us by not. My nasal cavities are lit up right now.
Oh, I hate them.
Oh.
And you hate. Oh, there's no.
You're a popular late night talk show host. Who are your first 3 guests and why?
Pedro Pascal, Travis Kelce, and.
She's thought about this.
Oh my god, this is bad.
No, because I'm gonna cry.
Pedro Pascal, Harry Styles, and Travis Kelce, because I'm bound to end up with one.
A talk show.
Talk show.
And who are the 3 guests you can get?
It's just my tongue.
It's my tonsils. I knew I should have had them taken out.
You gotta let the milk sit in your mouth for a second. Wait, oh, it gets better.
Jimmy Fallon. Carrie Underwood.
The last one has the hottest pepper in the
And
world.
Taylor Swift.
And Taylor Swift. Maybe Lizzo. I feel like she really brings it.
Your panel is so different than mine.
Yeah.
I just, ooh, yeah. Hannah. Bomb. This is the one I tried that night. You're on my tongue. Taylor Swift.
Said it was gonna be groovy. My bowels are gonna be grooving. Ooh, yeah. I don't wanna do it. Video of them doing this? No?
Did you eat yours?
I don't want to talk about it.
If you could force 300 people to sit down in front of a TV with their eyes forced open to watch something, what would you make them watch?
Like, are they supposed to enjoy it?
Well, if you're already forcing them, I don't think they have to.
Sons of Anarchy.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Honestly, I think that one we tried for that one would be the worst.
Yeah, it's not groovy. It's a lie. A marketing scheme.
First in the back of your throat.
Rather fight 50 10-year-olds or 10 50-year-olds?
Say it again?
Would
10
y'all-
50-year-olds, because they can't run with them knees. I'm gone.
Don't be on there. What if I forgot to edit it out? The one, the only, the last dab. Our hottest dab ever. Honestly, I think if I was on this show though, I would have done pretty good.
Well, we made it pretty far.
This is our last one.
That's...
We did better than Shaquille O'Neal.
Shaq.
Oh, too much for me.
Mm. Mm-mm. No.
She's gnawed it to the bone.
That one sucked.
Look at my gums.
My tongue. My tongue. I'm struggling.
She's finished her all.
They got away with.
I stole.
Tears.
I hate milk.
That one was the worst. I don't know.
I think it's just because they all pile up. Honestly though, we survived.
Mm-mm. I don't like this. I've decided.
I like walk or something. It's the fact that we chose to do this and nobody said to or asked us or encouraged us.
We were not invited on the show. This is not like.
And there he is.
Woo!
Miller.
Just mixing wings that I don't like with milk that I don't like. I wonder if anyone's ever thrown up.
Had to.
We're about to find out.
It's gonna be me.
Random dancing.
We spent too many hours of the day together.
Oh,
Telepathy.
who told me the other day? They're like, y'all are too much alike.
Glad that's done. Glad that is over. Honestly, I could have burned more calories than a gym.
Yeah.